time for the things we used to do. And this music is just the perfect mood. And I said, yeah.